What is up, you guys? This is Derek here coming at you with a quick tutorial on how to replace a laptop screen. This laptop is an HP Pavilion dv6. The model number is dv6-6123cl. I went on laptopscreens.com, was able to get myself a laptop screen for $68 with shipping, and it was a great deal. It shipped fast and shipped very well packaged. You are going to need a smaller screwdriver. They're all Phillips heads, but it's good to have different tips to it, like I have on this one. I have a bigger screwdriver here with other tips, also good to use. You're also going to need some type of either a knife or a flathead screwdriver just for the very beginning. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pry off these two covers. You're going to want to take out these two screws right here. What you're going to need to do is somewhere around here, if you can see, I don't know if you can see that there, but it kind of splits the black and the gray. What you're going to need to do is dig your fingernails underneath the black, in between the black and the gray, somewhere around here, and just pry it off a little bit. Next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take out these two screws and these four screws on each side. What you need to do next is there's four screws on each side. But basically, it's this little ribbon that we need to take out so you can fully remove the screen. And what you're going to want to do is on the top above it, right here, you just pull off the tape until you pull it completely off, and then you just wiggle it on out of there. So when you're putting it back, you're going to want to slide it up as far up as it can go. This can get a little tricky because it's sticky on the bottom. And just excuse me while I do this. Just keep the tape down once you've got it all the way in. That should be good. Just press it all down.